Welcome back to KCET 2020 most likely question from the chapter of haloalkanes and haloarenes children. Now this is our 10th episode and this will be the last episode from this chapter as of now for the discussion. So let's have a look at the question. The question goes like this. Reactivity order of halides for dehydrohalogenation is. So we need to select the correct order of reactivity for dehydrohalogenation reaction. The point to remember here is alkyl halides are of 4 important types, as you already know. Let me just change the color of the pen. Okay, so now we have alkyl iodides, we have alkyl bromides, we have alkyl chlorides and alkyl fluorides. Let's not focus too much about this because hardly we have much compounds with fluorine as fluoride being present with alkyl group. But these three, when we compare the reactivity order, as bigger the halogen size or halogen atom size, so much highly reactive it is found to be towards dehydrohalogenation reaction, or otherwise also called beta elimination reaction. I repeat once again. If I write all the halogen members, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine, we are not all the time considering about astatine because it is radioactive element. So leaving that, when we talk about halogens, we talk always with respect to these four. That too, fluorine being highly reactive. It is not going to participate in much of the reaction for the less requirement of the fluorine compounds as such we are having in comparison with these three. So we are hardly discussing any important set of reaction except the halogen exchange method for fluorine is concerned. Okay, as we come down the group, what is happening to the size of the atom? Size of the atom is increasing. As the size of the atom increases, their reactivity towards beta elimination is also found to be greater. That means alkyl iodides will be greatly reactive than alkyl bromides, greatly reactive than alkyl chlorides, greatly reactive than alkyl fluorides. So now, this being the case, let us see which of the four options given here will be of our choice. So alkyl iodides, we are having two choices. Let's focus these two. We can eliminate as by taking 50-50 because it's having alkyl fluorides in the beginning. They are least reactive by nature. Okay, so now alkyl iodides. Next one we are seeing this alkyl chloride. So definitely this cannot be the answer. So option D will be our correct answer. Alkyl iodides greatly reactive than alkyl bromides, greatly reactive than alkyl chlorides, greatly reactive than alkyl fluorides. So we are writing this in the decreasing order of reactivity. Decreasing order of reactivity. Okay. In all of these 10 episodes, children, we have discussed almost all important questions that are required for you to prepare to face this KCET 2020 examination. I wish you all the best. Keep practicing. Watch all of the 10 episodes. Keep improving your scores and take top rankings. Also, please remember to subscribe to our channel and share this video.